Ditch the desk clutter and transform your smartphone into a powerful mouse and keyboard for your PC in just a few simple steps. First, head over to your App Store. Whether you're on Android or iOS, we're going to download an app called Remote Mouse. There are many other options, but this is a popular choice. Make sure to download the correct app, often indicated by a mouse icon in its logo. Tap Install on both your phone and now on your computer. Head to Remote Mouse in it to download the computer app. This is crucial for the connection to work. Install the desktop application. Once installed, open both the phone and computer app. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for seamless connectivity. On your phone, you should see your computer's name appear. Tap it to connect. The phone app will now display a touchpad area which acts like a normal mouse. Swipe to move the cursor and tap to click. Tap the keyboard icon in the app to bring up a keyboard. Now you can type directly from your phone to your computer. The app also allows you to use gestures like scrolling, making navigation easy. Having trouble connecting? Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restart both the phone and computer apps, and also ensure that your computer's firewall isn't blocking the Remote Mouse application. That's all there is to it. Unleash the power of your phone and enjoy a cleaner, more streamlined workspace. For more tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button.